Hello students and parents. In this video lesson, I will be going over our math assignment from earlier today. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, let's put our date. Okay, and then we're going to separate our page into 3 sections like that. Okay, we have done that before. Okay, then after that, we're going to label each section like so. Now, we have been working with subtraction so far, and today we're going to be using addition and subtraction and using addition to check our work from our subtraction problems. So let's go ahead and start off with our first problem. Okay, so for our first problem, we're going to pretend that we're all going to the pumpkin patch. Okay, we're all going to make our way to pumpkin patch. So, first, let me create my subtraction and my addition sentences. And this will be done for each problem, by the way. Okay. And for the first problem, this is how many pumpkins we saw at first when we went to the pumpkin patch. Okay. Now, feel free to color in your pumpkins. Okay. Now, how many pumpkins are we starting off with? Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7. Okay, so since we're starting with 7, let's go ahead and put 7 at first on top. Now, now some of the students were like, well, I want that pumpkin, I want this pumpkin. So some students picked a couple pumpkins. 1, 2. Okay, so now some students picked their pumpkins. We need to figure out, okay, how many kids picked pumpkins? 1, 2, 3. 3 pumpkins are crossed out, so we're going to write a 3. Okay, now for the last part, we need to figure out, okay, 7 minus 3. How many pumpkins are left over? So first we started with 7, then we took away 3, and then we need to figure out, okay, how many are left? So you can either look at the picture or you can use your finger. So let's look ahead and look at the picture for this one. So let's see, we know we had 7, we crossed out 3, so how many pumpkins do not have X's on them? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pumpkins don't have X's on them, so we're left with 4. Now we need to check our work to make sure that we did this problem correctly. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go backwards. So we're going to start with how many pumpkins do we have left over, which is 4. And we're going to add how many pumpkins were picked, which is 3. And then we need to figure out with addition if we get the same amount of pumpkins we had in the beginning as we did before getting picked. So 4 plus 3 more, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So we know we did this right if this number and this number are the same. Are they the same? Yes, they are. So we did this problem correct. So now I'm going to set it up for the other 2 for you. So that way you can solve the rest of the problems. Okay, so how many pumpkins are we starting off with in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now this is how many pumpkins got picked. Okay, now how many pumpkins, you need to figure out, okay, how many pumpkins got picked and what our total amount of pumpkins left over is going to be. And then for the third one, we're going to do the same thing. This is how many pumpkins we have picked. We have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right there. And then this is how many pumpkins got picked by students. Okay. And then you're going to fill out the rest and check with addition. Okay, so that is going to conclude our math assignment. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.